6 essential strategies for improving your financial health. Money is a part of our everyday lives, affecting nearly every aspect of our existence. Financial matters touch every corner of our lives, from buying groceries to paying rent or mortgage to saving for retirement or a child's college education. That's why maintaining good financial health is crucial. Financial health is all about managing your money to support your short-term and long-term goals. It means having enough money to cover your expenses, pay off debt, and save for the future. Financial health also means being prepared for the unexpected, such as a medical emergency or job loss. Here are some reasons why financial health is so important. It reduces stress. Money worries can cause stress, anxiety, and depression. You can reduce stress and improve your overall well-being by managing your finances well. It helps you achieve your goals, whether buying a home, starting a business, or taking a dream vacation. Good financial health is essential for reaching your goals. It provides security. Financial security means having enough money to cover your basic needs, such as food, shelter, and health care. It also means having a financial safety net in case of emergencies. It improves relationships. Financial problems can put a strain on relationships. Maintaining good financial health can avoid financial conflicts with your partner or family members. It leads to a greater freedom. When you have control over your finances, you have greater freedom to pursue your passions, make choices that align with your values, and enjoy life on your terms. You can start by creating a budget, tracking your expenses, and setting financial goals to improve your financial health. You can also work on paying off debt, building an emergency fund, and saving for the future. Here are some additional details and tips for improving your financial health by creating a budget, tracking your expenses, setting financial goals, paying off debt, building an emergency fund, and investing for the future. Create a budget. The budget is the foundation upon which your financial house is built. It organizes your income and expenses and is a powerful tool for managing your money. Start by listing all your sources of income, such as your salary, side hustle, or investment income. Then, list all your expenses, including fixed costs like rent, mortgage payments, car payments, and school loans, as well as variable costs like groceries, entertainment, and travel. Be sure also to include expenses that occur less frequently, such as annual insurance premiums or holiday gifts. Once your income and expenses are listed, you can calculate your monthly net income and adjust your spending accordingly. You can use a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or pen and paper to create your budget. Track your expenses. Once you have a budget in place, it's crucial to track your actual spending to ensure that you're sticking to your plan. You can do this by keeping receipts, using a budgeting app, or checking your bank and credit card statements regularly. Tracking your expenses can help you identify areas where you're overspending and adjust as needed. Set financial goals. Setting specific goals can help you stay motivated and focused on achieving your objectives. Your goals include paying off a credit card balance, saving for a down payment on a home, or investing for retirement. Make your goals realistic and achievable, and break them down into smaller milestones so you can track your progress along the way. Pay off debt. Debt is often a significant barrier to financial health, so it's important to prioritize paying off any outstanding balances. Debt avalanche and debt snowball are two popular methods for paying off debt. Begin by listing all your debts, including the balances and interest rates. For the debt avalanche method, you first prioritize your debts based on the interest rates from the highest to the smallest interest rate debt. With the debt snowball method, you prioritize your debts from the smallest to the largest balance, paying off the smallest and rolling the minimum payment into the next debt. Build an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses can arise at any time, so it's essential to have an emergency fund to cover these costs. Experts agree that the goal is to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in an easily accessible savings account. This fund can provide a financial safety net in case of job loss, medical emergencies, or other unexpected events. Invest for the future. Investing can help you grow your wealth over time and achieve your long-term financial goals. Consider investing in a retirement account, such as a 401k or IRA, or opening a brokerage account to invest in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Choose investments that align with your risk tolerance and long-term goals. Implementing these strategies can improve your financial health and achieve greater financial stability and security. Remember, financial health is a journey, not a destination, so stay committed to making positive changes over time. In conclusion, financial health is essential for a happy, healthy, and fulfilling life. By taking control of your finances and making wise choices, you can achieve your goals, reduce stress, and enjoy greater freedom and security. Start today by taking small steps towards improving your financial health and watch your life transform.